Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're having another quick session on Tom's Leicester D. Do you want to tell people what you've been doing then, Tom?
Just clean this up. The carburettor.
What have we done with it?
Well, we just cleaned it up in some paraffin.
Yeah, where's it come from?
The other engine.
Yes, came off your first engine, didn't it? We didn't have one with this engine. So, like Tom says, we've cleaned it up. We've cleaned it up in some paraffin, made sure everything works, lubricated it, and then we've just put it on loose at the moment because we're going to make a gasket tomorrow just to go between it and the head. What else we're going to do, Tom, before we try and get it running?
Have a look in there.
Have a look in there, have a look at the governor, just make sure it's all free and lubricated and hopefully working. We've got one or two little bits to do at it yet. I want to take this spark plug to work with me and clean that up. What did we look at last night, Tom? Before the football started, what were we working on? Because we did a little bit last night. Can you remember what it's called? And he's completely forgotten.
Oh, the carburettor.
No, that's not the carburettor. What is it? Come on, think. Is it the magneto?
Yes.
It is. Good lad. And we took the cover off the end of the magneto, took the points off, cleaned them up, gapped them, and we now have a spark. So that's quite promising. So anyway, it's just a quick update. We'll keep filming. If you are enjoying watching, like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Bye. Say bye bye, Tom.